Like, yes, it's a little bit quieter. Like, a little bit. I know my hair is so greasy, I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. I don't think it's working that well. What do you guys think? So I'm sitting in the same space or same spot as last time. You guys be the judge. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Go inside. Inside. Bora. Bora.
There's a piece of ice cream.
I'm taking a shower.
Hello. You all better now? Oh. Let me see. Let me see.
Me?
You shook it off. It's off. It's around your neck. Mommy. Sao một nè. Thấy hả? Lo cho. Thấy hả?
That's all.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye now. It fell off. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye now.
Twirling fries.
The tornado.
Oh, we can just relax, look around, and then go eat on the other side. Cheers.
Cheers, Carm. I can't drink anything that's hot.
That's not hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Don't worry, we'll go.
Oh, Benny's taking pictures with Oh, my face is like wet. My mask is wet.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Let's go. Come on.
So we went to the Christmas market again.
There should be seats for us to stay. It should be okay. So let's go down there. First, go down this way. Okay, no, we'll go back in. We'll go. I'll show you inside. You can go.
I didn't film much. There's so many.
I forgot
to put my nappy on. I forgot to put my nappy on.
Mama, there's one from here outside.
No, I was thinking, how would I have to put my nappy on?
The washrooms are out here. So, there's lots of people inside. So I didn't film. And we were just getting lost between everybody. Let me go down a little bit more. Look how pretty it is. The airplanes. It's
candle?
A spiked frap.
Yeah, that's a candle.
I want to try it.
Me too.
Look, let go. Look how nice it looks.
I
It's
know.
layered. I got the Polynesian margarita. And you almost put your finger on the spices.
What is this?
It's a margarita.
Oh,
It's spice.
Oh.
Like salt and spices together.
okay.
And then a tequila seltzer. Try it. Oh, what was this? The Tokyo Spritz? Was it?
Huh?
Tokyo
Look,
Spritz?
it's smiling.
I got too much salt. Is that good?
It's really good.
Can I try?
What is it made with?
Milk, chocolate, espresso, and vodka.
Yeah.
Eh? Vodka?
Yeah.
It tastes like an ice cap.
Yes, it is an ice cup. Ice coffee.
It's really good. It tastes like an ice cap.
Mom,
But
can I
spiked.
try it?
Take it away. Your burger looks so perfect and shiny. Ew! Have salmon. And this, the lighting's so bad. This is the med bowl. I'm filming. Look. Oh, I don't want to use this. It's gonna get ripped out. I got it for 2022. Oh, how come this is all red? What the heck? Look at that. Anyways. I got the monthly inserts. And then I got the